Hey there, I'm Sebastian and I'm a clinical studies manager at Phonak headquarters in Switzerland. My work is about bringing study ideas to life, aligning with stakeholders to turn innovation into reality. I help our products reach the ears of the end user. Every study consists of a clear protocol designed to prove that our hearing aids deliver real-world benefits. Right here in Stäfa, at one of our global research hubs, we use realistic lab setups to recreate the listening challenges that people with hearing loss face every day. By combining these measurements with the incredibly valuable feedback of our study participants, we can prove exactly how our hearing aids deliver real-world benefits. Seeing the benefits of our technology change a person's everyday life is what gives my work true purpose. It's no longer just a protocol or a data point. It's seeing someone reconnect with their world. Technology evolves every day, and with every new breakthrough, our products transform the lives of people with hearing loss, offering them greater clarity and even more meaningful benefits. Is the work ever finished? Honestly, no. In hearing aid development, there's always a new frontier to test and a better way to serve people with hearing loss. Our commitment is to stay focused on your clients' needs from the first prototype to the final rollout and beyond. Innovation doesn't have a finish line. As long as technology evolves, our work continues.